forest has changed. Night has fallen. The path is harder to follow. But something in you wants to keep moving. You don't know why, there's no logic. Just a pull. Your footsteps are soft, your breath quieter than usual. And then you feel it, before you see it, a presence just beyond the trees. Not threatening, not curious, just watching. An ocelot, still, perfectly still. Its eyes reflect only the flicker of the moonlight. It turns and disappears between the leaves. You follow, you're not sure why, but you do. It doesn't lead you far. It pauses again. On a rise above a stream, you crouch. There is no need to speak. After a time, it walks away again, but it leaves something behind. A small silver shape glinting in the dirt. You pick it up. It's a shadow whisker amulet. Thin, delicate, cool to the touch. It hums softly in your hand when you stop thinking and let your body decide. You breathe. The amulet pulses. And then you hear this, not as a command, but as something your body already knows. I can trust my instincts. Let the phrase settle into you. Say it inside, not as a mantra, just as an idea. I can trust my instincts. Notice what happens in your breath. Do you tense? Do you want proof? The amulet stays cool when you question. But when you step forward without asking permission, it warms. Try it. Take one step forward. Pause. Feel again. What would it mean to trust without checking? The ocelot is long gone, but the part of you that moved without instruction, that part is still here. You look down, the shadow whisker glows faintly now, not from the outside, from something inside you. And you know, you don't need to see the whole path to take the next step.